Let's go back to the city. Hi, Mom! Ay, hindi ka nakikita. Oo. Good morning. Nakatapos namin mag-check-in. I think you kind of lose weight. Oh my gosh. You did? Yeah. Yes, but you did. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Here's our food now. This is beef. That is pork. And I have a coke. That's it. Good morning, guys. We're on our way to the airport. Let's go to the airport. So, kayo muna kami ng Terminal 2. See you there. Bye-bye. Guess what? Good morning po. Sakit pa. Airport. So, katapos namin mag-check-in. Manila to Cebu, then Cebu to Boracay. With the gang. Hey, this is for my vlog.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as of this moment, we are just waiting for some important
For coffee gets cold. Thank you, Ate Karen. That's one na nalaman ko. I'll be doing performative later na nag-take up. Bye-bye. Fine. Compensation from airline. Lechon from saan yan?
I don't know.
Lechon from Cebu.
From dito lang sa.
Hinain mo.
Oh, yan.
Top.
Crunchy pa rin siya.
Okay. Verdict.
Yummy. Yum. Good.
Finally. Bye, Cebu. I'll see you. Context day ako dito. Matagal. To visit you talaga. Not just stay over. So hot! Kumilat siya. Siya. Pinatabi na kami sa pinaka. Guess what? Maliban. Big. SG. Isikinit kami sa pinaka dito. Yay! Parang mabigat. Lord. Okay ka lang, Jilen? Yes! I'm so excited!
Let's go! Kaya mali pa rin mo na kuya.
Some support. Magpipila lang. So, we'll see you again later. We're gonna ride that.
Kumamat, gawan. Kuya.
Okay, be. Hello, doggy doggy. Sorry. We're going to the beach. Doggy doggy. Oh gosh, Julie, you're missing out. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Ako ang aling mabis.
Nalin. Ay, dito sa barangay.
Noy! Be, bakit may ganon? Iyo!
Mortalis smartwatch ka.
Wow naman! Now going for a dinner. Anj! Iskinita ng Boracay.
Hindi po. Hindi na ako ng bansa.
Super theater. Ay, so food. Ja! Good morning, people. Back at it again. To the speedboat. Going to the mainland to do activities, mainland activities. Off to the
Gabi.
Oh, let's get there. What are we gonna do? Woo! On the way.
Zipline daw agad bumag.
Zipline ako agad.
Okay na. Dahil ganyan ma. Yan.
Thank you, babe.
Handa ka na, ma'am?
Yes, po.
Bala ka na. Kaya.
Oh my God, ang ganda ng para siya nilagyan later. Here comes Anj. Katapos mag-ATV, ay mag-zipline, we're gonna go sa river. So we can do paddle board and cliff dive, I think. So on. So, see you later. Bye. This is mini zoo pala. Ah, there are birds. Medyo yan! Yung favorite ano mo, animal? Reptile. Pearl albino python. Hi! Green tree python. Oh my gosh. Oh, may nakatingin siya. Peacock! Parang may nakita akong ostrich kanina somewhere. Bye-bye! Bye, tips! We're gonna do ATV. So, din sa SAS before, malinis pa ang mga damit. Later, we're gonna be able. Ito pala, kirap ka. Oh my. Hey! take a video of me. Unfortunately, they're not using their phone, so... But it's okay. Malamit na kami sa end. So, bye-bye. See you there. Bye-bye. This is the river. So, magwawash lang kami kasi tingnan mo naman ang putik girl. Sa ATV. Wasn't able to take a video. But yeah, ang activity dito is yan. Kayaking. There are crystal, kayak, paddleboard, and wala, picnic lang. That's all. So, magkasabi na kami dito. After this, we're gonna do parasailing. So, yeah. Bye-bye! Okay. Ano na tayo? 1, 2, 3. Pag ganun pa konti. Dapat doon ka sa kabila. Malalim. Ang gusto malalim mo dito. Ano yun? Ano yun? Paano yun? Sorry.
Ayun na, gamitin nyo na yun, oh.
May gamitin mo na yung paddle.
Ma'am, sir.
Start recording. Ayan, recording. We just finished doing that. After parasailing. We're done for today. We're going back to the tenda kasi tapos na kami. It's currently 4:12. Si Ange at si RM nandun pa sila jet ski. So, babalik na kami. Then, magkita-kita na lang kami. Bye-bye!
Finish breathing in here. We'll give you a diving suit. And then we practice in a shallow water. Just dip of water lang muna.
You guys can go. I can stay. I will go. Babe. Babe, what happened? Wala.
Be, hindi ko ito itutuloy.
Babe, is here!
Hindi ko ito itutuloy. Sige na. Mag-bis ka na. Magubad na ako dito.
It's 3. It's 2:30 now.
Mili ka na kasi.
Parasailing. Okay, so do it later because we have to remove our slippers. Okay, parasailing. Nasa kabila si Ange at si RM. We can see them. Wow! This is gonna be beautiful. At ayan na nga. May maglalayag na. Hi! This is our last day. Free day. Just roaming around. Dito kami sa beach naglalakad. This is Station 2, which is so beautiful. So it's currently 12 noon. Kakatapos lang namin mag-Sunnyside Cafe. It's so good. Saan tayo pupunta?
We're gonna go buy souvenirs and pasalubong.
Yeah.
And then, we're gonna swim later.
Saan?
Puka Beach.
Puka Beach. Then, before that, try na natin yung coconut coffee.
Yeah, we're gonna try the
ni
coconut.
Jen. Coffee. Coconut coffee. So, see you guys later. Oh. Coconut. There it is. Last night in Boracay. We're just gonna take a picture here. Near the beach. The ocean. And after that, we're gonna eat somewhere there. So, mall. Or, ewan. Maghanap na pasalubong. See you. Bye. Strolling at night again. To buy pasalubong again. Pupunta kami na. Dito tayo pupunta? Station X. Para balikan yung pasalubong na dapat kanina umaga ay binili na namin. Pero it feels so good to walk by the beach at night. Bye, see ya! This is gonna be your last night here in Boracay. Last part of the trip, packing pasalubong. Napakahirap mag-pack and unpack pagdating.
Oo.
Be, umalis ka dyan. Sorry. May naked person dito. So, yan. Papak lang kami. We're going back tomorrow. Babu, see you. What can you say? Okay. You stay.
Uwi na tayo.
Dami mong gamit, oh.
Parang nung kailan lang papunta marami tayo.
Airport na. Just waiting for boarding time. See you, Manila. And after that, punta kami kila ni Lisa Death. Then we're gonna go to the bus, go to Baguio. Finally home. Thank you, guys. There, kabay ka na. Sorry.
Bye, Boracay. Hello, Boracay again?
No! Eh, yan lang na.
Hello!